I'm trying to hear so crazy. Okay. Princess Anna. Crazy word. This Princess Elsa. I'm waiting on her to pop. She'll start popping in a couple months. Princess Elsa. Look at her. Y'all know that dweeb. Used to jump through the roof. Arr. I ain't cleaned the counters yet, but it ain't really that dirty. Everybody got like 1/3 piece. Ain't that right, Silver? And then my big girl, I don't know why she's so big. That's something huge. There she go. Hey girl. Nala. Yeah, she's nice too. Then we got Duchess. That's probably second biggest to her. She got that muscle body. And then my favorite, my boy, first production kept by GSP, and then right back. Batman, sit. Look at him. Ooh, good boy.